How to write a blog post that generates traffic. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can write a blog that will get you more traffic. So let's get into it. Now, before we get into what generating traffic means, you need to know what traffic is. So traffic is readers or viewership. That is what you're looking for when you blog. And traffic is synonymous with pretty much your readers or viewership. That is what you mean when we are going to be referring to traffic. Now, some of the most basic advice that you might get as a blog writer or someone that is working on a blog is that just write good stuff and people will come and visit. But those tips or those little mechanisms aren't very effective for someone that is trying to compete in a super competitive industry such as blog writing. So I have some more SEO optimized or practical tips for blog writers. Now, first off is choosing topics that are proven to generate traffic. Now, how do you get started with finding topics that generate traffic? Well, for that, you need to focus on a seed keyword. So this might be something that a lot of blog writers might not have thought of before, but keywords are super essential to any blog. But the title is going to be the most effective way to demonstrate the topic. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the title has the seed keyword. The seed keyword is going to be whatever your entire blog post or article is about. So to find your keyword, you can use two different tools. You can use keywordseverywhere.com. It is a Chrome web extension or a Firefox web extension. You're just going to click on install for Chrome, and I have this installed already. You're just going to do that and it will be added to your Chrome. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to open up Google and you're going to search for whatever topic or whatever parent niche that you are looking for. So let's say I want to write about home accessories and kitchen recipes and kitchenware. So I want to write something along those lines. Maybe I want to write mostly about food and recipes. So let's just search for a simple query like recipe. Now, if I search for recipe over here, you can see that the keyword researcher on the right side of my screen is going to show me the SEO difficulty, the on-page difficulty, and the off-page difficulty, as well as similar keywords. So things that people also search for: recipes for dinner, recipes list, easy recipes, new recipes, recipes for breakfast, and food recipes. Then you also have trending keywords. So these are specific recipe items, and then you have long tail keywords. So all of these are similar topics, or these are the keywords that you want to enter into your title. These are the words that you want to be present in the title of your blog. So first off, that is the first step. That is to choose keywords that people are searching for. Just take a look at this graph over here. You can see the search interest peaks for these keywords. It has a pretty high search interest. You can take a look at the past 7 days. So you can see it is a keyword that people often search for. If you are ranking on the top page for Google for a keyword that no one is researching, then it will be absolutely useless, because let's say that a keyword gets 1,000 searches on Google, and you can easily research this using the keyword research tool for Ahrefs. From Ahrefs, you can use the keyword generator. You can also use keyword ranker. There are multiple different websites available that will allow you to do that. Now, what you're just going to do is whenever you're going to take a look at a keyword, you need to see how many people are actually searching for this. And once you take a look at how many people are searching for this kind of keyword, you want to make sure that you know the search intent and if it has low search volume. So if it is only being searched 1,000 times and you're able to rank on the top page of Google and you're on the bottom of the top page, that means the bottom of the top page has a CTR of like 1%, 2%. Even if you're getting 25% of the people to click on your link, if your blog is present on the top page of Google and you have a keyword that you're targeting, but because it has the keyword that you're targeting has such a low search volume, you're only going to be getting like 25 to 30 clicks or views from that method. And that is going to be not very effective. You're not going to feel like it was worth the effort that you did for looking or targeting this keyword and optimizing for that keyword. So make sure you have a good understanding of how you are targeting your keyword and whether or not that target keyword actually has a good search volume. Now, the second tip to write a blog that generates traffic is to focus on the reader and make sure you're not writing me-centered posts. Now, what I mean by this is that if you post a video or if you're posting content like recipes that I love, recipes that my favorite pancake recipe, my favorite skincare product, my favorite brand for this item, people are not interested in your take because unless you're a super popular celebrity or influencer, people don't want me-centered posts. So a lot of bloggers make this mistake. They start posting content like food I love. So this is not a good keyword. It's fine, but people don't search for this kind of keyword. People would much rather search for delicious food recipes or food that is like the top food to try in Turkey, the top food to try in Norway, the top foods to try in Sweden. So you want to focus on the reader and focus on the query. I'm going to take an example. Now, let's say I want to post my skincare routine. Now, instead of posting something with a title of my skincare routine, I can add a title, a alternate or better title for this blog post or article would be beginner skincare routine, how to get started with skincare, Korean glass skincare routine, and these are just simple intuitive ways that I am telling you the alternates for a specific keyword. Now, the next thing is to find topics that are generating traffic for competitors and creating content around those topics. This is one of the easiest ways to find a useful topic. Just take a look at similar blogs that have a similar niche to yours and see which one of their blogs. You can use free SEO tools by Ahrefs and take a look at their keyword rank checker as well as their SERP checker and enter the keywords from those articles or those blog posts that are doing very well. You can just create content on those specific topics that are doing well for your competitors. Now, the next thing that you need to do is find the search intent. This is a very essential step that you need to follow for a blog post to be successful. If I search for cake recipe, what is my search intent? If I'm searching for a cake recipe, the search intent is most definitely that I am wanting to make a cake or bake a cake and I want to find recipes. If I search for crock pot, what is the search intent? If I'm searching directly for a kitchenware item, the search intent is that I want to buy this item. I lack this in my kitchen and I want to purchase it. So defining search intent is very, very important. A simple way to do that is to just take the essential keywords or the seed keywords that you have chosen for your blog post and then just search them on Google. Whatever are the top search results, you can see the top search results for these are links to purchase crockpot. So whatever are the top search results will show you what is the search intent. For searching crockpots, the search intent is most definitely to buy one. For searching cake recipes, the search intent is to find recipes, and you want to formulate your content according to the search intent. So make sure the content matches the search intent of the user. Now, the next thing is to have a data-driven outline. It is very much shown through a lot of tools that a top-ranking article, so if I go on the top cake recipes, this recipe is not going to be just hitting the keyword for how to make a cake or cake recipe. This recipe is probably going to be ranking for other 50 to 60 keywords as well. So make sure you're including alternate keywords, these related keywords or people also search for all of these other keywords in your specific blog post as well. And the final tip is to draft and get a honest review before you do your final writing. This will help improve your writing of your blog posts, and it is one of the effective ways to get your data rechecked. And you can also use a application like Grammarly or the Hemingway app to just paste in, and this will fix your any of your mistakes, and it will also give you a readability grade. So you want to make sure that your grade is well above good to make sure people remain interested in your blog post. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to better understand how to write a blog post that generates traffic. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.